next unit that I'm about to review for you guys. We'll go ahead and take it out of this Soul Lady packet once again. Let me go ahead and get that done. They sent me 2 more wig caps. And along with that, they also sent me the Soul Lady support package too as well with this wig. They sent them with each one of the wigs. So don't forget to look for yours too. Front and back, please read that info because it's going to give you some good information about how to maintain your unit, how to wash it, what to do if you need to return it. And just go ahead and read it. Good material. And it has those little QR codes on the back that you can scan and go straight to the website and see what you need to see. But it's the Soul Lady Kinky Curly Headband Wig. 100% human hair. Medium salt and pepper. This is standard salt and pepper on my head as far as this unit. But this one is medium salt and pepper. 180%. 14 inches long. So both in units that I am reviewing for you guys during this video or on this video or the one before, however I linked it in together, are 14 inches long. Those are the lengths. But look at that curl, kinky curl pattern right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And this is the water wave. See the difference? This is the water wave. It's loose. This one's tighter. Cap construction is the same. You get your 2 ear combs. You get your nape of neck comb, which is that elongated nape of neck comb, and I'm really feeling that. And you get that crown comb or the comb that can go into an ankle braid somewhere in the top portion or the crown portion of your head. Mesh constructed cap along with the Velcro fastening. And also the drawstring right here. And I like the fact that the drawstring is real thin, so it's not big and bulky. And look at the mechanism there to hold the drawstring together so you can tighten it, the tightener for it. It is not big and bulky where it hurt the nape of your neck or your neck in some way, okay? So I'm really liking that too, and it's thin. The material is very thin. The mesh is that it is enclosed in. See how that's enclosed? With that little small netting, that is really, really good. I'm liking that too as well with that small, like once again, mechanism to tighten and untighten that string, okay? So that's it. Isn't that nice? Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Once again, 180% density. Nice unit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this unit on my head and see what you guys think about it. I'm not going to spray any water or nothing like that on it because I want you to see this unit in its natural state. And I like the fact that their unit does not have a loud smell to it either. But, you know, I always like to kind of wash them sometime. But so good so far with Soul Lady. So I'm going to go ahead on and just try it on for you guys, all right? want to share with you guys that Soul Lady sent me inside of the package, along with this kinky curly wig, headband wig from Soul Lady. They sent me also this shirt that says Silver and Strong. Look at that. What a nice shirt, okay? It has that pink breast cancer awareness ribbon on it. I really appreciate this, you guys. And look at that, right here on the left, it has Soul Lady's name on it. You guys, it doesn't have to be October to support breast cancer, okay? You can support any type of cancer organization any time of the year. All you have to do is go online and look at the different organizations that support those causes and go ahead and contact them and see how you can get your contribution to them. I'm pretty sure all of these people that support that cause and those ones that are suffering from this disease will appreciate it. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I'm done styling this unit. You guys, once again, this is the Soul Lady Kinky Curly Headband Wig. 100% human hair, medium salt and pepper color, and it's 180% density. Once again, 14 inches long. And yes, this wig does appear shorter than the wig that I just did, the Waterway 14-inch unit from Soul Lady, because this is a tighter curl pattern, okay? The other one's a wavy, which would be a little looser. This is a kinky, which would make it shorter, tighter, curly unit. But this is a beautiful, beautiful unit. Honey, I am feeling this unit. I'm feeling both of them, but I am really liking this unit, you guys. It's all about what you want to see yourself in. You want some loose waves, you go for the other one. You want your tighter curl, kinky curly, you go for this one, all right? Other hair features that are not printed on the card, I'm going to read them off of Soul Lady's website because I just really want to do this because it tells you a little bit more. It says no tangle, no shedding, healthy soft, no impurities, no strange smell, can be straightened, curled, bleached, dyed, permed, durable, reusable, and styled. Okay, so you can do all of that with these headbands units from Soul Lady Wigs. The average size is a medium cap, and it fits a 22-inch to a 23.5-inch head circumference. So make sure you read that. Of course, there's no lace to cut off. This is a headband unit, you guys, with 4 combs attached in the inside like I showed you, all right? So let's go on with this video. Now, this headband unit, the Kinky Curly from Soul Lady Wigs, comes in a 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, and a 18-inch unit. It comes in the colors medium salt and pepper and a dark salt and pepper. I have it in the medium salt and pepper, and I have it in the 14-inch, which I'm really, really liking. I'm liking this because, honey, headband wigs for me are for like a quick throw and go and also a workout unit. Now, also, you can also get this one customized, too, for an upcharge with the color. And once again, that color, light, standard, medium, dark, is right there. That's that color palette for the gray that you can also do your different colors that you prefer in this unit. Well, I'm using the headbands that they sent me with the first unit, which is this headband, the white one. Then I had the red one on with that first unit. You get that animal print color. You get that bandana look, and you get that orange, goldish brown headband. And you can wear it either way. You have the bow knot or the top or the knot here, and then you have a wide band in the back. I chose to wear the wide band this way on this one, but I chose to wear the bow knot on the other unit, which was the red bandana look. Now, the 5-pack of headbands that I showed you guys previously are $4.99, but that's not what the regular price is. The regular price is $15.99 for the 5, but right now Soul Lady has them for $4.99. Now, that can change due at discretion of Soul Lady if they're running sales or whichever, you know, they decide to do. So if you're looking for my opinion on purchasing this unit, you guys, go ahead and purchase this unit. You can use my code that should be somewhere on the screen. If it's not on the screen, you guys, it will be at the bottom in the description box. So make sure you use that code to get a percentage off of your purchase from Soul Lady Wigs. Shout out to Soul Lady Wigs for sending us these beautiful headband units. Go ahead and get yours, ladies. This will save us a lot of time throwing goals while we're working out, going to the store, or wherever we're going, honey. It will save you some time, honey. Go ahead and purchase these units. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know what we're uploading next time here at Necessary Necessities. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Till next time, you guys. Appreciate each and every last one of you. Bye.